Hey everyone, welcome back to BigBrains tip. Today we are solving product of array except self, a medium level array problem. The problem looks simple, but there is a really nice trick that lets us solve it in O of n without using division. We are given an array, and for every position we need to calculate the product of every other element except the element at that position. So for this given example, this is the following output. The obvious solution is to go through every position and multiply all the other elements. But for every element, we are scanning the array again. That gives us O of n square time. And we can do better. Let's focus on just one element. Suppose we are calculating the answer for 3. Everything except 3 can be divided into two parts. Everything to its left and everything to its right. So instead of multiplying all the other elements directly, we can calculate product on the left multiplied to the product on right. So for 3, it's 2 into 4, which gives us 8. So let's calculate all the left products first. For the first element, there is nothing to its left, so we use 1. For 2, the product to its left is 1. For 3, it's 1 times 2, which is 2. And for 4, it's 1 times 2 times 3, which is 6. Now we do the exact thing from the right. For 4, there is nothing to its right, so we use 1. For 3, the product to its right is 4. And for 2, it's 3 times 4, which is 12. And for 1, it's 2 times 3 times 4, which is 24. Now we simply multiply the left product and the right product at every position. For the first position, 1 multiplied by 24 equals 24. And for the second one, 1 cross 12 gives 12. And for the third one, 2 cross 4, it's 8. And for the fourth one, 6 cross 1 gives us 6. And that is our answer. You might be wondering, why not simply multiply the entire array and divide by the current element? Apart from the fact that the problem specifically asks us not to use division, 0 makes that approach problematic. Our left and right product approach works without division. Alright, let's start solving the problem. Initially, I'm just having a variable called n and it holds the len of nums. And then I'm having a list called result. It has n number of ones, so multiplied by n. And now to calculate the left product, I'm having a variable called prefix. I'm initializing it with 1, and now I'm having a simple for loop to calculate all the left product for I in range of n. The result of I equals prefix. So before multiplying it, I'm just storing the left product to the result, and after that I'm multiplying it with the current number nums of I. So this loop gives us the left product completely. Now to calculate the right product, I'm having another variable called suffix. I'm initializing it to 1. Now I'm having a for loop to calculate the right product for I in range of, since I'm starting it from the right, it must be n minus 1, and I want it all the way to the end, that is the left end, so the limit is minus 1, and since I want it to be going in the backward direction, it must be minus 1 again. Now I have to multiply all the values that I already had as a left product with the suffix, and now I have to increment the suffix, multiply it equals nums I, and that must work. Let's see the result. Perfect. And there we go. So the key idea is, for every element, it answers the product of everything on its left multiplied by everything on its right. Calculate those two sides in two passes and we get an O of n solution. That's GYP. Don't memorize TSA, recognize it.